NSI started small, working hard to make best-in-class products and provide unbeatable service for the electrical industry. Our goal was to be a seamless problem solver so that our customers could have a supplier partner who was easy to do business with. And over time, our company began to grow. Distributors asked, "Can you help us provide what our customers need?" And we said, "Absolutely." Unlike other big companies you might be used to, we take your challenges seriously. We've built in the flexibility and agility to address your needs while growing our manufacturing, warehousing, and distribution capabilities, all to serve you better and help you succeed. Our growth is not about being big. It's about staying flexible enough to put our customers first without all that red tape and big company bureaucracy. It's about partnering with companies in the electrical and HVAC industries that also believe in prioritizing their customers. It's about understanding that our success is tied to your success and never taking that for granted. We are committed to serving our customers where they are and to being big enough to support where they're going. And so, as our customers are expanding into new markets, so are we. We've listened to your needs and invested even more market-leading brands, services, and products across the electrical and HVAC industries, with more growth on the horizon, making it easier to source the products you need across multiple industries. To do that, we're using digital solutions to make placing and delivering orders easier, transitioning from the old manual processes to data-driven systems. We're building more domestic manufacturing and distribution facilities to shorten delivery distances. We're focusing our manufacturing and engineering efforts on major trends like U.S. electrification, data centers, network infrastructure, and heating or cooling efficiency. Bottom line, we're working to serve you faster, more efficiently, and on a larger scale. As you grow, NSI is growing with you. And our promise from beginning to end is that we will always be big enough, agile enough, committed enough, caring enough, and forward-thinking enough to make it easy for you to succeed, no matter what.